Hi guys, I'm the main character of the story. Hope you enjoy. He's definitely gonna pay for this. Girl, why are you coming close to us? I just need to go to the restroom. Are you scared? Yeah. Oh, yes. Wah. Never do this again. Let's go to the cheer practice, bestie. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Hi. Hello. My name is Lily. No one cares about you. Whatever. Did you know that you're gonna fall? I'm not going to fall. I'm not wearing pants, girl. Girl, can we get... Okay, let's get started. Aesthetic music. Version. So hencher. Yas. Slay. Go toppers. Yas. Slay. Karma. Slay. Karma's a...